Katelyn, oh for real, and in today's episode I will be showing you how I DIY'd this really fun Blockbuster and chill night with the items that I have right back here. Stay tuned. I have some of the Blockbuster items I received from Dumbgood.com. That's a really fun website where they sell nostalgic merchandise and things like that. It's really cool. You can definitely check that out. Then I went ahead and picked up this really cute vintage style popcorn tin and a couple of movie theater type of snacks that I thought would go really nicely inside the basket. Okay, so I have the vintage popcorn box and I'm going to put it on a little slant and start building up the inside from here. So you're just going to simply have the shirt and you're going to fold it like so that it kind of flaps over a little there. The Blockbuster VHS box. The socks actually go inside, but I'm going to take them out to display them. And then you're going to put the DVDs in. I took a couple of nostalgic DVDs that I thought would be fun to put in there. And then we're going to start with some of these snacks. I'm just going to place them in however you think they'll fit nice. Put the Blockbuster mug. Then I'm going to fold the socks. So you can see that it says be kind. And I'll do the same with the yellow one that says rewind. And I will layer them up so you can read them. Then I have tissue paper. I'm just going to plop some tissue paper inside to kind of stuff it so it looks a little bit more full. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below. That was a really weird word section. I don't know, whatever. If you remember Blockbuster, it was probably the highlight of your childhood as it was mine. Every Friday night, it was a thing to do. So I hope that this brought you a little bit of fun, nostalgic memories, and be sure to check out Dumbgood.com because that's where I bought most of the items here. Get creative, have a fun night, and just make the best of whatever time we have now at home. See you next time.